Okay, Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Next, let's see how to solve Intensive Practice 3.2, page 84. Okay, from your textbook. So this is the same, still under system of equation. Alright, let's read the question. Okay, so first you must understand the given situation and represent use any suitable symbol, mathematical symbol. Okay. Given that the total, question number 5, okay, given that the total surface area of a cuboid, so you have a cuboid right now. So how to get the total surface area of a cuboid? Okay, so altogether you have 6 surface, right? Since stated here the base is a square base, so meanings that here to here, let x be the length of cuboid. Okay, dia punya panjang, then dia punya lebar is also xy, because stated that it has a square base. So meanings this length and this length is the same. So panjang dengan lebar sama. Okay, and that let y be the height of the cuboid. Okay, so let's look at this surface. This one, the base, and this surface is the same, right? The area is the same, okay, because this is also x and this is also x, so it is like this. So here x, so the area is given by x times x squared. Okay, so now you have two surface like this. Okay, so the area is 2 times x squared lah. Okay, next you have this side. Okay, next you have kawasan ini, sisi ini dan juga sisi ini. Okay, alright. Actually this one, 1, 2. Okay, and then one more here, 3 depan, and then lagi satu belakang. Okay, ni depan. Alright, lagi satu dekat belakang ni, yang belakang ni, belakang. So altogether you have 4 surface where here to here is x and then the height is y. So the area is given by xy, right? So total area means, okay, 2 times x squared, because ada dua surface yang sama area dia, and then plus total means you plus. Okay, plus 4xy. Why is it 4xy? Because here we have 1 tepi sebelah sini, 1, 2, 3 depan, belakang 4. So altogether 4 surface where the length is x and then the height is 4. Y. So 4xy. Okay. So total surface area of the cuboid is 66 square centimeter. Okay, the total surface area is 66. Okay, so you get one equation. So meanings here involve non-linear equation because you have square there. Okay, next, total length of the side is 40 cm, means you need to find the perimeter of the whole diagram. Total length means you add up. Okay, so it's actually plus everything. So this one plus this one plus everything. Okay, so x plus x, okay, plus y, okay, then plus this one plus this one plus this one plus everything. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 sides. Itu sebelah atas, sebelah bawah you ada lagi 4. Okay, so 4x plus 4x become 8x. Right. And then dia punya ni, dia punya tinggi 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is y. So 4y equal 40 cm altogether. So now you have second equation. And then the question asks you to find the possible volumes of the cuboid. Find the possible volumes of the cuboid. The question asks you to find the volumes of the cuboid. So how to find the volumes of the cuboid? Of course, you take x times y. So x squared times y. So we need to find what is x, what is y. So to find the x and y, so we need to solve these two equations. So here, okay, you have one non-linear equation and one linear equation. So let's solve these two equations. Let's use substitution method. Okay, so from here, from 2, you can divide by 4, simplify it, right? After you divide by 4, 8 divided by 4 become 2. 4 divided by 4, 1, so tinggal y. 40 divided by 4 become 10. So this is your third equation. Okay, I simplify this function. Okay, this equation. So now you can make y as your subject. So become 10 minus 2x. So this is your fourth equation. So this equation tembak masuk dalam first equation. Right? So now, okay, this one is your linear equation. You must modify this equation, make one of the variable as your subject. So after you make y as your subject, put in this equation in your non-linear equation. So let's put in plus 4x y. So y is 10 minus 2x equals 66. So you solve this. 10 for 40x minus 4 times 2 is 8, x is x squared. Okay, minus 66 equals 0. Then simplify this, arrange in general form. 2x squared minus 8 squared become negative 6x squared plus 40x minus 66 equals 0. So this function you can simplify it. Okay, so always make x squared as positive coefficient. So you can divide by a negative number here. So let's divide by negative 2. So negative 6 divided by negative 2 become positive 3. 40 divided by negative 2, negative 20 x. Negative 66 divided by negative 2 become positive 33. So now you can use your calculator. A is 3, B is negative 20, C is 33. Okay, let's use your calculator. Okay, so press A. Choose polynomial, press 2. Degree of 2, press 2. Okay, so A is 3, equal sign. B is negative 20, equal sign. C is 33, equal sign. Okay, so the first value is 11 over 3. Okay, so tinggal space sikit untuk working. Okay, sebab you kena ada working lah. Tak ada working nanti tak dapat markah. So leave space here. So the first value of x is 11 over 3. Press equal sign. Okay, the second value of x is 3. So meaning this quadratic equation can be factorized. So if can be factorized, just write the bracket equals 0. So 3 times x is 3x. Positive become negative. This one x minus 3. Okay, so now you have two possible values of x. Okay, if x is 11 over 3, what is the value of y? Okay, put in this equation. Okay, find which one is y as your subject. This one, right? This function. So put in. Okay, after you put in, if x is 11 over 3, you simplify this, become 10 minus 22 over 3. So it is 8 over 3. Okay, it is 8 over 3. And if x is 3, okay, if x is 3, y is 10 minus 2 times 3 become 10 minus 6 become 4. So you need to find the volume. So we have two values of volume here. The first one when x is 11 over 3, y is 8 over 3, so the volume is x times x, okay, 11 over 3 times 11 over 3 times y, okay, panjang kali lebar kali tinggi ya, panjang x, lebar x, tinggi y. Okay, sebab tadi dia kata square base, so bila dia square base maknanya panjang dengan lebar sama, the same, equal lengths. Okay, right. So 11 over 3 times times 11 over 3 times 8 over 3. Okay, press this button. So it is 35.85. Give your answer correct to 4 significant figure. So if x is 3, y is 4. So the volume is, okay, x times y, panjang kali lebar kali tinggi. So 36 cube, cm cube. Okay, so the possible volume for the cuboid, okay, 35.85 cm cube and 36 cm cube. So you have two possible values of volume here. Okay, so when you get the question, okay, apa-apa saja bila keyword dia, bila you baca soalan, apa-apa saja nombor yang dia bagi, ni 66 ni benda apa? Total surface area. So you kena fikirlah what is a formula to find total surface area. This one 40 cm ni benda apa? 40 cm is the length of the side. So how to find the length of the side? So of course you need to total up the length of the side here. Okay,